Hello, I'm Seunghyung Lee from Korea. I'm presenting this paper. The name of this paper is Sound Event Classification with Feature Vector Combination for Automatic Audio-Based Surveillance, which means that we are interested in the case that the traditional CCTV camera is blocked by some obstacles or whenever the camera is not working, then we can use the audio system to detect the emergency situations, such as by using the audio data such as screaming, gunshot, or something else. And this paper proposed the idea to how to improve the performance of sound event classification. Thank you.